Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you my version of Rotel pasta. This was inspired by something that I saw on Facebook, but I actually did not use any Rotel in this recipe, so I'm not really sure what to call this pasta, but it was good, so let's get into the video. To start off, I had a red and green bell pepper and a yellow onion, and then I just chopped those up. And in a pan I put in about a pound of ground beef and added those chopped peppers and onions. And I used just salt, pepper, and garlic powder to season that ground beef, but you can use whatever you would like. And just ground that beef and cook until the veggies are tender and that ground beef is done, and then you're gonna drain it. So while that meat is draining, I went ahead and added about a cup and a half of heavy cream into my saucepan, and then I added 8 ounces of VELVEETA, and then I just whisked that all together until the cheese was melted. And then I added a small can of cream of mushroom soup and mixed that in. And once I had everything mixed in, I just set that to the side, and then I went on to boil my pasta. Once your pasta is cooked, you can combine everything all together. So combine your meat, your pasta, and your cheese sauce. And then I just added in a packet of SAZON seasoning, and that's it. That's the pasta. I paired that pasta with some homemade garlic knots and a salad, and there was dinner. Super easy and super delicious. Thank you all so much for watching. If you like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you do not have your post notifications turned on, you can do that by clicking the bell at the top right.